word for non-systematic cyclic code will be generated by the following equation. Cx equals to Gx into Mx, where Cx is the coded polynomial and Gx is the generator polynomial Mx is the message polynomial. Coded polynomial is the code word when represented is polynomial form. That means from code word we can generate the coded polynomial. Generator polynomial is coming from the generator that means the generator matrix. A generator matrix is a different thing. In your latter section of your syllabus, you will know what is generator matrix. Just you should know the term generator matrix. So from this, generator polynomial will be created. And message polynomial is the message bit when converted in polynomial form. Note that likewise, linear block code in cyclic code also generator polynomial is given to you in the problem so that you can calculate the coded polynomial. That means in your cyclic code, generator polynomial is given to you, and from that, and your message bit is also given to you, and from that you have to calculate the generator, that means the coded polynomial. Now, what is generator polynomial? Your next topic is the generator polynomial. Generator polynomial are those polynomial which is also a coded polynomial in the cyclic code, but it cannot be further divided into small part. That means in a cyclic code, the polynomial which cannot be further divided, then it is known as generator polynomial for that code. Suppose you consider one polynomial x plus 1 and another one x square plus 1. In this case, x plus 1 and x square plus 1. Now see this x plus 1. This is you cannot further divide with this polynomial into another subdivision. Therefore, it is a non-residual polynomial. But x square plus 1, this is not a irreducible polynomial. That means if we divide them, it becomes x plus 1 and x plus 1. That means x plus 1 and x plus 1 when multiplied, it will create this. Therefore, it cannot be a generator polynomial for any code. Likewise, generator polynomial is that polynomial which cannot be further subdivided into another polynomial. Now, we have to we have to do the encoding process. It is your next example. Your task is construct non-systematic cyclic code code words in the 7/4 cyclic code given generator polynomial, which is denoted by gx as x cube x plus 1. So in your problem, the code is mentioned, that is 7/4 cyclic code, and the generator polynomial is also given to you. So you have to find out all the code word belongs to that code. Now 7/4 is also a linear block code, because you already know the cyclic code is a sub part of linear block code. That means if 7/4 is a cyclic code, that means it is obviously a linear block code. So according to the linearity property, or the number of code word present in that code is 2 to the power k. You know or you remember the formula? I have already told you in your previous class. That means here k is equal to 4. So number of code word present for that code is 2 to the power 4. That means 16. So there is 16 code word. Now you have to calculate this 16 code word using generator polynomial. So first you have to construct a chart. In your chart, the columns are likewise information bit, the first one, then information polynomial, then coded polynomial, and last is code word. I have shown you the process. Your task is to complete that list. So as you can see here that 7/4 cyclic code, 4 is the information bit. Therefore, for each cases, information bit is 4. Now, if we rearrange the bit, it is starting from 0, 0, 0, 0. Always any bit, binary bit, starting from 0, 0, 0, 0. Then it should be 0, 0, 0, 1. Likewise, the other bits I have written here. Every time you should maintain this pattern. Whether the number of bit will be different, that is a 4 bit, 5 bit, or 2 bit or 3 bit, always this arrangement or this pattern is maintained. So as it is a 4 bit, therefore 16 code word is present. That means you have to find out the 16 information bit. So they are 0001, next 0010, then 0011, then 0100, then 0111, then 1000, 1001, 1010, 1011, 1100, 1101. It is not in your not shown here. That means complete the task, complete the list. There is total 16 number. The last bit will be 1111. Do it yourself. Next, you have to find out the information polynomial. It is 0, 0, 0, 0. Therefore, the polynomial is 0 again. Now, in case of this, the last bit is 1. Therefore, it is also 1 into x, or that means 1 into x to the power 0. That means it is first bit, therefore it is x to the power 0. So that means it is also 1. In case of second bit, it is 0 into x to the power 0 plus 1 into x to the power 1 into x to the power 1. That means it is x. Likewise, in the third case, it is x plus 1. In the fourth case, it is x square, because it is x to the power 0, it is x to the power 1, it is x square. In fourth case, it is x square x plus 1. Likewise, do yourself the total information polynomial. Your next task is coded polynomial. For coded polynomial, you have to find out the following formula. The formula is Cx equals to Gx into Mx. So, for first case, Gx will be this, x cube x plus 1 into Mx will be 0. So, therefore, first one is 0. For second case, it is 1. So, when it is multiplied with is 1, then this is your answer. For third case, your polynomial is, message polynomial is x. So, x is multiplied with Gx. So, when x is multiplied with x, so it is 0, it is x cube x plus 1. The third one will x when multiplied with this. So it becomes 6 to the power 4 x square plus x. So your fourth term, that means third term, is this. Right here, I think. X to the power 4 x cube plus x. Likewise, you can calculate this one, this. All this you can calculate. Now, the coded polynomial, this code word, it is all 0. Therefore, they are all 0. Therefore, there are 7 bits. N is 7. Therefore, number of message bit is 4 and number of parity bit is 7 minus 4, that is 3. So, we can write the code word as 0, 0, 0, 0, then 3 parity bits. So, all are 0. In case of next one, it will be x to the power 3. That means x to the power 3 means it will be 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1. Note that x cube is here. It is 0, it is 1, it is 2, it is 3. So that means the degree of polynomial for this case, it is x to the power 0. It is 1, it is 2, it is 3. So therefore it is x cube. For this x cube, 1 is written here. For x square is not here. Therefore we can put here 0. And for 1 we can put here x. And last is 1. Similarly, for next case, it is x to the power 4. So I write here 1. Then for x cube it is also 1. Then there is no x square. So again x is there, so it is 1. Rather bits are 0. Likewise, you can easily calculate this code word. Now, why it is non-systematic? Because if it was systematic, then first 4 bit is always resemble with the information bit. See that it is the first 4 bit is 0011 is not here match with this. Therefore, it is non-systematic. If it is systematic code word, if it would be a systematic code word, then this code word must be looks like first 4 bits are this, then the parity bits are last 3 parity bits are calculated by some other way, but these 3 should be the parity bit. But first 4 bits are always the information bits which is represented here. So this is the form of non-systematic form. This is the form of non-systematic form and this is the form of systematic form. So your task is complete the chart and show send me to the group.
So this is all for today's class. If you have any doubt, you can talk me